Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ishan Kesravani and I will be showing you today how to print the sum of the squares of all the natural numbers. So let's start. So first of all, I will be including the header file #include stdio.h as it contains predefined functions printf and scanf which is required to print and get the input from the users. So now I will be declaring a main method, and within that I want to take input from the user. So I need some variables, and I will be requiring a variable n to take the input from the user, and I will also be requiring a variable I so that I can traverse through the numbers. So first of all, I will be displaying the method to the user that enter the printf, enter how many numbers you want to find the sum. Now I will be writing scanf function to take the input scanf %d comma address of n. Now what will I do is I will initialize a new variable so that I can add all the numbers and calculate the sum. So for that I will be requiring a new variable. So let's take another variable named as sum, and let's take it as a long variable because our sum value may extend to a very high digits. So firstly initialize this to 0, and then what will I do is I will be printing the series and also the sum of the series. So I will just write a statement printf series is, and now I will be traversing through the all the numbers and finding out the sum of the natural numbers. So for this I will be initializing I with 1, and I will traverse it all the numbers. So I is equals to less than equals to n, and then I plus plus to increment the loop every time, and in that I will just calculate the sum of the all the numbers. So sum is equals to sum plus I into I, because sum as I am finding the sum of squares of all the natural numbers, and let's first try to find the sum of the natural numbers, then I will be showing you how to find the sum of the squares of all the natural numbers. So that's all. I just wanted to print the series now, and printf %d, oh sorry, %d into %d plus, and here I will be writing I comma I, and after the loop I will write the sum. So printf, so that it might not be printed all the time, and I just want it to be printed at only once. That's why I am using this, and is equals to %d, and I will be writing just some variable. Now that's all. Now I will compile this program and run it. So let's see. So it is asking me how many numbers I want the sum. So I want 5 digits, 0 to 5, and so you can see that I have got the series as 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5 is 15. Oh, I am getting a wrong answer because I have written some, I have given some mistake here, and because I have written I into I, and I am calculating the sum of the numbers, but I have written wrong. So now I will compile it again, and again I will be giving 5 as an input, and you can see that now it is showing me the correct output. Series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. So now I will be showing you how to find out the sum of squares of all the numbers, And so for this I will just need to multiply I with another with the variable I, because some of squares, for example, if we have 1, it means 1 into 1. Similarly, if we will have 4, then it will be meaning that 4 into 4. So for this I will be writing percentage d plus so percentage d into percentage d is no comma I. And now I will be just printing the sum. So now let's compile it and run the program. So again I will be inputting 5 this time. So you can see that I into I, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4 is 55. So you have seen that how simply we have find out the sum of the series of all the natural numbers, as well as the squares of some of the series of all the natural numbers. So please subscribe to our channel and for more such programming videos. Thank you.